Hi folks, today I'm going to teach you how to create a station in the Niagara workbench. For those of you who don't know, the station is the Niagara application that runs within the Jace. It's the brain behind how your software works really. Um, Two choices really of where you engineer the application itself, and that's on your local host machine or actually within the Jace. Now, typically you would do it in the Jace. However, my preference, just for speed and whatnot, is to do it on the PC and then transfer it over to the Jace whenever it's complete. I find sometimes whenever you're trying to work with the application while it's in the Jace, it can be quite slow to respond compared to a PC with obviously a higher spec. Um, so the first thing you want to do is obviously open Workbench and then I would sign into my platform, and on your local host, that's generally your login details to get onto your computer. So after that, we go to the Tools menu and click on New Station. In here, we'll give the station a name. We'll call it Tutorial for today, and we'll pick New Controller Station.ntpl. Click Next. Here we've got an admin username with a role of admin. We have to set a password here. So I'm going to go ahead and name this admin 123456 with a capital A just to fulfill all the criteria. We want to copy it over to the local host with the station copier. This will allow us to work with it on the PC. And click finish. So once it's finished, it'll open up the station copier to basically transfer our new station onto our local host so we can work with it. Um, I uncheck this auto start because I don't want it starting every time I open Workbench. So it's just good practice if you're going to be working with a lot of stations all the time. Just click next and then finish. Then we get this saying the station transfer is complete. After this we'll get a pop-up asking us to go to the applications director. We'll press yes on this because it'll allow us to see when the station's actually running, because until the station is running, we can't connect to it to program our software. So now our station is running, we can go ahead and right click and open station. We made the password admin with a capital A 123456 and that's us now in our station. From here we can go on and create we can bring in all our different points. We can create our wire sheets. We can create our graphics. We can pretty much set everything up on the PC so that it's ready whenever somebody goes to site, just to copy it over to the Jace and get the site running and commissioned. Alternatively, you can have the Jace sitting beside you, or you can do this live on site. Wouldn't be my preference, but obviously it can be done. Anyway, guys, I hope this quick tutorial's helped on creating a station. Cheers.